Hey friend, today we are going to go through the top 10 Nutrisystem facts to help us through our weight loss journey together. Now, if you guys have any questions or input of your own, don't forget to leave that in the comments below. I'm sure that would be super helpful for anybody who's watching this video. So the first question is a very popular question I feel like everybody wants to know, which is how much weight do you actually lose on Nutrisystem? And that does vary, but typically people lose about 1 to 2 pounds, so a healthy amount every single week. The first week, the first 5 days, is going to be a lot faster. So most people lose about 5 pounds. It can be anywhere between 5 to 7 pounds on the first week because you are adjusting to a new diet, but some people even lose up to 10 pounds. So the second question I get a lot is, can I have snacks and veggies on my first week of Nutrisystem? And you absolutely can. The 30-day box actually comes with snacks for you, including shakes. And the first week, you're actually gonna have 2 snacks. You can have a shake and then a snack, and then it moves you into 3 snacks a day. So it'll be a shake, a snack, and then you just create your own snack, like string cheese or something like that. And then it encourages you to have as many veggies as you want, but at least 4 servings to help fill you up. All right, question number 3 is, can I mix my entrees around in my day? You absolutely can, as long as you stick to it being breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can't have 2 dinners in one day. That's just kind of how they do that. So 3 meals, 2 snacks on the first week, and then 3 snacks thereafter. Question number 4, which veggies should I add? And you want to make sure you're adding lots of veggies because they are a great source of fiber, and you want to make sure that you feel full and satiated all day long, and that you are actually practicing so that the after Nutrisystem, you just have that habit already built in. So what you want to do is 4 servings of non-starch vegetables, things like tomatoes, spinach, cucumbers, carrots, broccoli, and etc., things like that. And then question number 5 are, what are power fuels and smart carbs? And they are kind of what they sound. So it is basically protein and healthy carbs, but I will go into detail on what it says for the Nutrisystem website. So power fuels equal lean protein and healthy fats, anywhere between 80 to 120 calories plus at least 5 grams of protein. And then when you go into smart carbs, it is healthy, slow burning carbs to 120 calories, again, with at least 1 gram of fiber. Question number 6 is, what are Nutrisystem Flex meals, right? I feel like I get that question quite a lot. So Nutrisystem Flex meals are basically just any meals that you make at home or when you eat out. I'm actually going to start making some healthy meal videos in the next couple of weeks that incorporate things like flex meals. They're just going to be healthy meals that have those good proteins, those smart carbs, things like that, for anybody who is just ready to come off of Nutrisystem and they want to do it the right way. They don't want to fall back off, and they just need some good ideas of what they should be eating after Nutrisystem. So if you're interested in videos like this, go ahead and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. That way you get notified every time I upload, and we can go on this health journey together, because we all need a little bit of community these days. And don't forget to press that like button if this information is useful to you at all, because it definitely helps me make more videos like this. It helps the algorithm get this out there, help more people. Okay, so the next question is, can I still eat out while I'm on Nutrisystem? And yes, the answer is you definitely can still eat out while you're on Nutrisystem. You just kind of have to be smart about it and practice portion control. I actually did a whole video on this, eating out on Nutrisystem without regaining the weight. I'm gonna leave that linked up above just because this goes through it a little bit more thoroughly and I don't want to repeat myself again. So for anybody who is interested in that, you can click the link up above. So the next one is, can I have alcohol while I'm on Nutrisystem? I always assumed that you just couldn't because it's, you know, a diet, but actually I looked it up and it said that you could have alcohol up to 2 nights a week as long as they are not back to back. All right, guys, we're almost done. I promise only 2 more questions to go, and give this a like or leave a comment down below if this is helping you so far and if you think this is good content. So question number 9 is, how many snacks can I have a day? So I think I answered this a little bit earlier, but people keep asking this separately anyway. So the first week you can have 2 snacks, and then after that you can have up to 3 snacks. Question number 10, Nutrisystem personalized plans. What are those and how are they different than the normal plans? So the normal plans, you can sort of get customized. You can choose the things that you like, things that you don't like. However, the personalized plans, they go by your body type and metabolism. So you can do this on the 30-day supplies. You can also do this on the 5-day box plans that you can get at Walmart or Meijer, things like that, except they aren't completely customized to your age and your weight. They are just by body type, where the 30-day box is much more specific. So it's actually broken down by quite a lot. It goes by your age, weight, height, gender, and how active you are. So it's pretty specific, and it's something that's somewhat new, so I thought that it was worth mentioning if you guys wanted to take a look at that. I actually have a 50% off discount for Nutrisystem linked down below and in the description and the comments for anybody who wants to try it, because every little bit of savings helps on meal plans like this. So feel free to check that out. I love you guys, appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Mwah.